Hello everyone, it's Dr. Wolfe here, and in this video, I am going to be going over number 1 on page 19. So here we're going to show a cross between two homozygous dominant mother, and homozygous recessive father. It looks like I did some weird wording here. So it's between a homozygous dominant mother and a homozygous recessive father. All right, so let's get rid of that too and just put it in here. Sorry about that. For widow's peak. Widow's peak is a dominant trait. And by the way, widow's peak is just this, where the hair kind of goes down here. It's really the hair growing back over here versus a straight hairline right there. So first thing we want to do is make the key, okay? Widow's peak is dominant. So again, I like to just use big A, little a. So big A is widow's peak. And little a is the straight hairline. All right, and here we got the mom and dad. Notice over here, it doesn't label mom or dad. You can make it either one. In this case, let's just label the dad up here. So the dad is homozygous recessive. All right, so homozygous means they have the same alleles, and specifically those alleles are recessive. So I'm going to do little a, little a. So it looks like that dad has a straight hairline. And the mother is homozygous dominant, so which means that she has both dominant alleles. She has a widow's peak, okay? So then what I want to do next is do the cross with my Punnett square. Look at all the possible combinations. So recessive A down here, dominant A over here, recessive A here, dominant A over here, recessive A down here, dominant. All right, we're kind of starting to see a pattern. All right, they're all the exact same genotype. So for the possible genotypes, there's only one, big A, little a. Possible phenotypes, well, if you have the dominant allele, you're automatically going to have the widow's peak, right? So what are the percentages? Well, 100% of having big A, little a. Phenotype percentages, 100% of having, all right, widow's peak. So a fairly simple Punnett square in this case, but hopefully this helps in terms of the thinking behind it.